Hello, this is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises. Now, in hydraulic troubleshooting, one aspect is checking faults, and as we are going through different stages of logical troubleshooting, checking faults is also one of the steps. What do I check, and where do I check? What do I check with? And what do I expect to be it? You must have answers to all of these, and you have to think logically before troubleshooting any hydraulic problems and have the answers for this. What do I check? What do I check with? What do I check? What do I expect to read? So before troubleshooting any hydraulic problems in any plant or machinery, you must go through the machine manual, maintenance manual, operation manual, and you must be aware of all the operation of the hydraulic system of that machine. This is Adnan Sanni from Sanni Enterprises, Karachi, Pakistan. My number, WhatsApp number, free hydraulic helpline for all Eaton and Vickers customers is 00923124225402. Our address is Sanni Enterprises, 411 Panorama Center, building number 2, Raja Ghazanfar Road, Sadr, Karachi, Pakistan. 24/7, 365 days, free helpline for Vickers Eaton hydraulic customers. 00923124225402. Thank you. Love hydraulics. May God bless Mr. Harry Vickers, who initiated Vickers Hydraulics.